Some of the key questions which came from the public were, for instance, what are some of the benefits which accrue to the agents once they get recruited by their banks. The critical delivery here in terms of agency banking and the benefits is that in addition to financial inclusion, the customer who is already running a business over the last 18 months as defined or more is able to add on to his business other activities, and there is a revenue sharing arrangement between that particular agent and the recruiting bank. Agency banking contracts are non-exclusive as defined by the prudential guidelines of central bank, and therefore a customer potentially can become an agent of as many banks as possible. The products which are to be rolled out through the agents include the cash deposits, the cash withdrawals, money transfer services, collection of loan applications, collection of account opening documents, and all those services are at a fee, which again is being shared with the agent. Therefore, in terms of the benefits to the agent, they are quite significant. They optimize on their existing infrastructure, their existing businesses, and they make some money.